Alright guys, Papa Pepper here at the Abundant Harvest Homestead once again. For some time now I've been running into this crazy cool looking bird I've never seen the likes of before. As far as I was able to tell, the male of the species is like top half red, bottom half yellow, and it's eluded me for a while. I figure it must be some sort of tanager. You know, it's not a cedar waxwing, it's not an oriole, it's not a cardinal. You know, but it looks like the colors, you know, between like a goldfinch and a cardinal. I'm like, wow, this thing is crazy. Well, as it turns out, it's actually got a nest above the entrance to my garden. So that said, you know, it's not an immature some sort of bird. It's a fully, you know, full grown male. And then there's also the female of the species. And I was finally able, you know, whenever I don't have the camera, it seems I can get like 10 feet away from this thing. It'll show up everywhere I am, and whenever I get the camera, it's just gone. But today I finally got some footage. I think it's some sort of tanager. I don't know if it's, you know, a summer tanager or something else, but I'm gonna show you guys the footage. I just want some help identifying this thing, see if you guys know what it means. I do apologize, it was a little windy, and I didn't have a tripod, so I was, you know, using things to hold my hand as steady as I could. I did pretty well. But, you know, in the wind, the whole picture's kind of swaying here and there when it's up in the branches of the tree anyway. So, see if you guys can tell what this is. Happy to finally be able to kind of solve this mystery for me. And that way, at least if people can confirm what it is for me, I don't have to sound like a complete ignorant idiot when I talk to people and say, hey, I saw, you know, so-and-so in my garden. And they'll be like, yeah, those don't live around here. Those are like West Coast birds or something. I don't know. So, appreciate your help for anyone who is into, you know, identifying birds and enjoying all that. This is one that we get to see frequently in our garden right now, and just the fact that it's got a nest above part of our garden means hopefully there'll be more for the years to come. And I actually do have a birdhouse build coming up. It's not really your traditional birdhouse build, but I'm looking forward to getting that project going as well. And like I said, you know, this is a place for us to be, a place to grow plants, and then a place for animals to be as well. So just the fact that every year we seem to have a couple families of birds set up shop on our land is very exciting for us. So, all right, without further ado, here is the footage. Well, hopefully you guys thought that was as cool as I did. I've just never seen the likes of a bird like that in my life. So very exciting for me. And by the time I'm done reading comments, hopefully I'll know exactly what this creature is. And then it'll be even more exciting for me. Because, knowledge is power. Power is exciting. Yeah, something anyway. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you next time. Papa out.
As always, I'm Papa Pepper, and I'd like to remind you, don't post for free. If you'd like to be part of a revolution in social media, an economic power to the people where users can actually blog for cryptocurrency, then I'd recommend that you check out steemit.com and join the revolution. Papa out.